So in lesson 2 we discussed how to set your design on your project, what you needed to glue it on with, and then in lesson 3 we're going to talk about how to grout your project. So now we're going to do some grouting. Got a glove up and then we'll mix our grout and then we'll put it on our first project. So I'm just going to use a couple of scoops. Now you can get a additive, but I'm just going to use water. We want it to look like toothpaste. So just do it a little bit at a time. This is too runny, so if that happens, just add some more powder. A little tiny bit more. So that's about right. You can see it's like toothpaste, and that's very easy to now just put in there. Just ensure that all your edges are level, that the grout is smooth at the top, there's no dips. And then you can start smoothing it off. Here's a sock. Once you've got the washed the majority off, don't wash it all away, you can just remove the excess. So once you get most of it off, then it's just a matter of cleaning it up. Make sure you've got all the bits of glass uncovered, because once it sets, you can't get it off. Not easily anyway. As you can see, that's slowly shining up. Just taking all the grout off the bits of glass. There's a little bit of glue on there we'll have to get off yet. Coming along nicely. Okay, so we're going to grout this one, and I'm going to use white grout. So you can see which one you like best. Some gloves.
consistency, a bit like putty. I like it a bit firmer. Squish it in. See, on the edges, push it down to get sure you've haven't left any gaps. Gap right on the edge of the mirror. Pretty good. Oh, it's over there.
Just before we clean it off.
When the grout has dried a bit, that's the best time to rub off any little excess bits that have remained on the tiles. Get a nice clean edge. You'll see, I don't know if you can see, but there's a bit of glue on here, and I always flick them off with a toothpick. Okay. All finished.
So in lesson 3, we learned how to grout your trivet. Lesson 4, we'll be discussing how to finish off your trivet, and then also tips and hints and ideas for your next project.